Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a little tour of our Christmas decorations. It's not going to be a full house tour, just showing you some of our favorite decorations that we have out for the season. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button and the little bell so you can get notifications every time I upload. I'll try to tell you where everything is from. Some of these things we've had for years or passed down to us, so I might not be able to tell you everything, but if you have any questions, make sure you drop those down in the comments. I want to start with the mantle because it's one of my favorite places in the house around Christmas time. Something about seeing the stockings hang over the fireplace really just gets me. And if you hear the little woodland creatures, we've got our baby napping here, and his sound machine is on there. So if you hear that, that's what's going on. But we've got, our dogs have these little stockings. These are all from Target. These are like $3 each or something, and the big ones are $13 each. And we got the mine and my husband's last year, but they still have them this year, so we were able to get a matching one for our new baby Cooper. Up here we have our little nativity set that we bought this year at Target. It was really inexpensive. It was like less than 15 bucks, I think. But what I really like about it is that it kind of looks like the willow tree people, and those figurines are very pricey and expensive, and this kind of has the same look for a much cheaper price. This is the window in our living room, and we just have this cute little tree that has all these little berries and acorns, little wrapped in burlap on the bottom in one of the windowsills. And over in this one, we have this cute little snowman that like glows and it plays music. And we got that at TJ Maxx or Ross. TJ Maxx or Ross like last year, but they have the exact same one at Hobby Lobby, but we got it at TJ Maxx for like way cheaper. So that's where that is from. Over here at this side table in our living room, I have this cute little candle stand that the candle is separate from. You can just put whatever candle you want. It has a little snow globe on it, a little birdhouse, and then this is a candle top. Candles from like Walmart or something, but the little glass shade and the base are both from Yankee Candle. We got those a few years ago, so I don't know if I'm able to find the exact same one, but that's where those are from. And then over here we've got all of our puppies. We've got Tater Tot and Ladybug and Buttercup. And this is our little Christmas pillow, and I think the tag, I got it at Ross. It was $9, so I got this a couple years ago. But I just really like it. I feel like it goes with my other pillows. I don't have to like take my other pillows off the couch. I can just add it on. So I really like it for that reason, and it's very cute. Over here we have our TV center, and at the bottom here I have a little spot that I usually just try to fill in with some kind of seasonal decor on this side. So this is actually a cookie jar. The little tree comes off of it. It's from Walmart. And then of course we have our Christmas tree. This Christmas tree we purchased last year from Sam's Club. It was super inexpensive. I think it's like a 7.5-foot tree, but compared to other places, it's super inexpensive. We absolutely love it. If you want more details on it, I have a decorating our Christmas tree video from last year that I talk more about all the details on it, some of its features and price and all that kind of stuff. But yes, I'm pretty sure they have the same one this year, and I highly recommend the tree. And then we don't do the fancy like color coordinating trees. Every year me and my husband exchange a ornament. He picks one out for me and I pick one out for him. And then we have some craft ones that we made last year, and then just stuff that we've picked out and collected. But it's just kind of little ornaments that make us happy. So now we're kind of, our living room, dining room, kitchen, all are basically in one big room. So this is kind of like the dining room, but it just is kind of all connected. And this is just a little cute pig picture that's painted onto wood. It's got the little berries, and it's just really adorable. I know it's from Hobby Lobby, and it was like last year, so they probably still have it this year, if I had to guess. Over here in this corner of our dining room, this is like my plant table. Normally I've got plants on the bottom and the top because I've got French doors right here that let a lot of light in, so it's just a good place for it. But for Christmas, I took my plant off the top of it and put this here. This was handed down to me from my mom. She doesn't decorate a whole lot for Christmas anymore, and she's got a ton of decorations, and asked me if I wanted this one, and I said yes. It's actually like probably close to 30 years old. My dad was in Germany, that's where I was born, and that's where they got it, so it came over from Germany. I'm not sure exactly what the technical term is from this, but you put little candles and you light them, and then the whole thing spins and all the little people spin, and it's really cool. But so that's something that we just added this year. My mom gave it to us like a month ago. So Cooper woke up, so we'll have a little special guest for the rest of this video. But this is our dining room table. The runner I found at like a discount store that was like closing. It wasn't like a chain one, it was like a random one that was open in town that was shutting down. So I just really lucked out. But it has little razorbacks on it and little snowmen, and it's just perfect for our family. These little candles were a gift from my mother-in-law a few Christmases ago, but I'm pretty sure she got them at Kohl's. But so I've got those, and then cute little salt and pepper shakers that are from Walmart like a year ago or something like that. And then coming into this is like, we call it my office, but this is really our front door, but we never use it. We've got a side door that we use and a back door. And technically this is our front door, but we call it my office, and it's how I use this little tiny, practically a room. And this is a picture of Santa Claus with a little dog. This picture is really special because we kind of splurged on it. Was it last year or 2 years ago? It was two years ago, and it's hand painted by someone that was local to where we were living at the time, and it's just really special. We had just gotten married. It was our first married Christmas, and it's just kind of a little special thing that we have that we get to hang up around the holidays and look at. Here in the kitchen, I don't have a whole lot of decor. On my island, I have these set of 3 candles, the little berries, rings around them. These were a gift from my mother-in-law, and I don't know where she got them, so I've got those. And then over here by my kitchen sink, I have this little cake stand. Oh, you burped. Good job. I have this little cake stand that was from the Target dollar spot with cute little glitter trees on it. Those were also from the dollar spot. This little snowman candle was from Yankee Candle a few years ago on clearance. It was like after Christmas I got it, so I don't know if I'll be able to find that. And then this little lumberjack nutcracker. I think we got it at Hobby Lobby if I remember right. Like maybe last year, but it was really inexpensive. And I think that's pretty much it. Over here on my coffee, oh, I forgot dish towels. I've got cute little dish towels that were from either TJ Maxx or Ross. And then over here, this is my little hutch. It's like my coffee station, my microwave. I've got my cookbooks, all that kind of jazz. I've got another one of those little glitter trees from the Target dollar spot. And I think that's everything for my Christmas decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below, or if there's anything that you think I'm missing that I should maybe pick up this year and add to our Christmas decorations. Let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye, guys.